I'm going to be peeling off this one. You can see it's really dried. They are so dried. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of seeing this face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is Ese Unique. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you the remedy that can help you to treat fibroid at the early stage and treat ovarian sac and also treat painful period and many more. So just stay tuned, watch this video to the end. You know, in my channel I always share a lot of remedy that can help women because I love women so much. Let's get started, guys. So here I have one big full ginger. This is organic ginger. You can see it's so fresh. I have ginger here, and this is a clove of garlic, and this is 2 pieces of bitter kola. So first of all, what I'm going to do to this bitter kola is to peel, because this I have already peeled it off. That is why it's like this, and this one has not been peeled. I'm going to be peeling off this one. You can see it's really dried. They are so dried. So then I'll peel off the ginger this way. So after peeling the ginger, then I will also peel off the skin of the clove of garlic. Just remove the shell this way. Okay, now I'm going to be grating it. First of all, I will throw this away. Now I'm going to be grating it. So I will repeat the same step for all, both the kola nut because it's too dry. It's so hard to grate. So after I finish grating, then you can see the remaining here, so tiny because it's too dry. I'm going to be throwing that later. So what I will do next is to pour all the things I have created into a pot. Get a pot. Always use old pot. So pour everything inside this way. Then I will get half liter of water. Half liter of water. Then I'm going to be cooking this for 30 minutes. If you don't have any means to cook it, you can equally put this in a container, pour in some amount of water, keep it for some days to ferment. So after fermenting you can use it. But now, since I can cook it, you can also cook for 30 minutes. I'm going to be cooking this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm coming back. Then we start working on it. Now it is 30 minutes after cooking. I'm going to be keeping my plate here. Put the strainer on top. I'm going to be bringing down the hot pot. So I will strain it with this strainer. So this is it. I'm going to be pouring everything inside here to strain it out with the strainer. So you can see everything inside. All the garlic, ginger, and the bitter cola, they are all inside here. But the water is what I need. So this water, all you will do to the water is to pour in some amount of this water into a cup. You can see the glass cup here. Pour some amount inside this way. So pour in some amount. Then what you will do, just allow this to cool down. The remaining, you can keep the remaining, as I've said earlier. You can keep it in your container, put it in your fridge, or you can keep it anywhere. If you did your remedy by putting everything into a container to ferment for some days, no need of for the remaining, you can still preserve it that way. But if the remaining, you cook it and is remaining this liquid like I have here, pour into a container and put in your fridge to keep. So this, you will allow this to cool down. So the treatment, the thing that this thing can treat in your body is treat ovarian sac. Ovarian sac are fluid filled with sac in the ovary, and treat the fibroid at the early infection of the fallopian tube. So if all this, you take this remedy that the same way I just showed you, this remedy is going to work, and it will work perfectly, guys. This is a natural remedy that we have been preparing for people that used to treat all this kind of problem. This will also treat painful period. If you are that type of person that have painful period, this is going to treat it for you. So all you just need to do, after allowing this to cool down, you just get a glass. You will get a teaspoon of honey. A teaspoon of honey. Just get a teaspoon of honey. Pour it into the glass. After cooling down, not when it is hot. After cooling down, just get a teaspoon of honey. Put it inside. Just put it inside. Then you are going to be drinking this first thing in the morning or 30 minutes before breakfast. First thing in the morning or 30 minutes before breakfast. You are going to be doing this till you notice changes in your body. Okay? You're going to be doing this till you notice changes in your body. I cannot tell you that you do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. No, because everybody is different. Our body is different. So the way our body responds to treatment is different. So that is why I will not tell you this is how you are going to do it. But the first time, you can take this for every morning for 5 days. Take this every morning for 5 days the first time. So if you still don't notice any difference, you can still continue, but I won't tell you when to stop or not. But until you notice difference in your body, even within that 5 days, if you notice any difference in your body, you can stop. You can stop taking it. But if you don't notice any difference, you can continue till you notice any difference in your body. Guys, like this remedy I'm showing you is a perfect one. Is what I grew up seeing my grandmother using. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this video today. If today is your first day of seeing my face, like I always say, or seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button. I'll also put on your notification bell so when next I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.